Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by simply using the link in the description below. So on my screen right now, I am looking at the Valorant EA listing on the MQL5 Marketplace, and this is an MT4 expert advisor, and it is currently available for rent at $48 per month. It is developed by Tran Thuyen, and the current version is 2.1 with 5 activations listed. From the description here, the EA is presented as a multifunctional trading system for MetaTrader 4. One of the key points mentioned is that it can trade both with and against the trend, and it even uses counter trend logic to help close losing positions in profit, depending on how the system is configured. Okay, so scrolling a bit further, I can see it is designed with a lot of flexibility in mind. The developer mentions multiple trading modes, including conservative, aggressive, and scalping style approaches. So rather than being a single fixed strategy, it looks more like a configurable framework that adapts based on user settings. Another interesting part is the mention of reinforcement learning elements. All right. So the idea here is that the EA includes adaptive behavior based on market feedback rather than fixed rules alone, which suggests it may adjust its decisions dynamically over time depending on conditions. And it also highlights features like multiple averaging modes, including smart and partial averaging. All right, which implies it can manage positions in layers rather than relying on single entry logic. There is also automatic handling of fees and swaps, which is useful because it helps account for trading costs directly inside the logic. Now, before moving into the testing, I can see recommended settings here. It suggests trading pairs like GBP USD, GBP EUR, Euro USD, GBP JPY, and Euro AUD with the M5 time frame on ECN accounts and relatively low spreads. Okay, minimum deposit recommendation is $100, and the backtest setup specifically mentions using every tick modeling after downloading full historical data. Now, moving into the strategy tester, I'm going to be running this on the recommended structure, so the evaluation is aligned with how the EA is intended to operate. So I have already run the EA on GBP USD on the M5 time frame, as recommended, right? And we're using the every tick modeling, of course. And I'm running the test over the past month. Okay, so let's quickly look at the report. We can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit is $7,060.3, and 18 trades we are taking. Short positions, there were no short positions. Okay, they were all long positions with 88.89% win rate. The largest profit was $1,260.6. The largest loss was $1,013.52. The average profit $562.88, and the average loss $972.91. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, even though the largest profit is bigger than the largest loss. But the average, if we are judging based on the average, we can see that the average loss is substantially bigger than the average profit, and it's not good that way, right? The profit ought to be bigger than the loss. And we can also see that the win rate is pretty impressive. right? And I believe that this win rate, was one of the major factors that contributed to this net profit that we are having here. It's actually the net profit is close to 15%. It's not exactly 15%. Well, a little less than 15%, right? But this should be maybe 14% or 13 point something thereabout, or maybe 14 points. But the point is that the long position, or rather the win rate contributed to this, because having a win rate of close to 90% is quite impressive. Had it been the risk to reward ratio was also impressive, maybe the net profit would have been way bigger than this, right? But remember that these are just historical backtest results, okay, and they do not guarantee future performance. So now let's just quickly see the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visual mode, same settings, and just click on start so that we can see the expert advisor in action. All right. So looking at the historical chart now, I'm not focusing on individual trades as live events, but more on how the system behaves over time across different market conditions. All right. So now I'll be expecting to see how positions tend to, cluster in certain phases, especially where price movements shift direction or shows stronger momentum. All right. So from what is visible, from what we have seen from the results so far, from the marketplace, and well, currently what we're seeing on the chart, the EA appears, to not be the type to, aggressively hunt for opportunities in the market, right? It's not aggressively taking trades. It takes its time looking for opportunities in the market, and it appears to alternate between directional trading and counter trend adjustments based on the information that we have access to, right? Which aligns with the description of both trend following and recovery based behavior. Okay, now the position management looks more layered, suggesting it doesn't rely on single entry execution. Now, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, because short samples can sometimes miss how the EA behaves across different volatility cycles and market sessions. Now, when I step back and look at the overall historical performance, this is where it becomes important to focus on consistency of behavior rather than isolated outcomes. The results are strictly historical backtest results, and they can vary significantly depending on broker conditions, spreads, risk settings, and execution quality. All right. So even though the EA is designed with adaptive and multi-mode logic, real world performance will still depend heavily on optimization and how it is configured for your specific account. Overall, this is a highly configurable MT4 system with both directional and counter trend capabilities, and the real value comes from how well it is tuned and tested over time before any live deployment. So thank you for watching. I hope you found some value in this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.